Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your IYS teacher for class 10, and today we are going to start our teaching with your secondary stage English book 2 for class 10. And as you can see, our first topic is the voice of God. It is a poem. First of all, I'll pass on some instructions. Please listen to them carefully and act accordingly. First of all, you will open your textbooks to page number 1. You must hold a pencil in your hand to write the meanings of difficult words while teaching and explanation. After that, now first we'll have some reading and explanation. Then we'll share textual question answers. And after that, a home task will be given to you which you have to complete in your English fair copies. Okay? Okay, now you might be seeing the pic. The poem is The Voice of God. This poem is written by Louis I. Newman, born in 1893, died in 1972. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA, and this poem brings out his religious bent of mind. So this is all about the introduction of the poet. Now I am starting the reading. Please listen to it carefully. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. But God declared, go down again. I dwell among the people. So, in this poem, the poet Louis I. Newman gives us a message that he wanted to hear the voice of God, or he wanted to make a conversation with God. So, for this purpose, in this regard, he went up to the tower of the church. When he reached at the top of the tower, God asked him to go down because he, that means God, lives among the people, and the best way to find God is to serve humanity. Okay? In this way, in this poem, the poet tells that God is present everywhere. It is not necessary that we can find or hear God only in any religious building. Okay? So this was all about it was such a tiny poem. So let's go towards the meaning of the difficult words. Okay, the first difficult word is sought. Okay, this is the second form of the verb seek. Seek means talash karna, dhoondna. Okay, so the meaning of sought here, the poet wanted or the poet wished. In the first line, the poet is saying, I sought to hear the voice of God. That means the poet wanted to hear the voice of God, or he wished to hear the voice of God. Okay, if you any questions you have, you can ask it after my explanation. Okay, please. Your time will be given to you for asking questions. The second difficult word is steeple. Steeple means the tallest part of any religious building, like we call minar, ऊंचा मीनार, मस्जिद का ऊंचा मीनार, या the tallest part, the topmost part of a church. So the poet climbed the topmost part of the church in order to listen to voice of God. He thought that as higher as I go, I will be able to listen to the voice of God. Then God declared, go down again. Declared means announced. God told the poet to go down. Okay. Now the last difficult word is dwell. Dwell means to live. कहीं रहना, कहीं बसना, कहीं आबाद होना. That is called dwell. Okay.
मेरा लैपटॉप चार्ज भी नहीं हो रहा है. फिर आवाज नहीं आ रही. अच्छा तो ये
Okay, now let's move towards the textual question answers. Textual question answers. The first question is, who has composed the poem The Voice of God? So now, can you say the answer? Second. Okay, now the instruction is you have to take a screenshot of these screens and you will complete it in your fair copies. Okay, I am again and again asking you that you have to complete this task in your fair copies in a proper way. So you must take a screenshot of it. Okay, who has composed the poem The Voice of God? What was the wish of the poet? Where did the poet climb? What did God declare? And the last question is, write the central idea of the poem, The Voice of God. So this is the task which you have to do following the instructions and the explanation. Raise hand. Ask to lower hand करो.
क्वेश्चन आंसर जो है असेसमेंट रनिंग में करेंगे.
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है.
आप लेकर
ओके. Okay. 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 There are some new students, so I'll start the reading again and with the explanation. So all of you please listen to it carefully. The first poem of your book is on page number 1. That is your stage 2, secondary stage English book 2, class 10. And the first topic today we are going to share is The Voice of God. This poem is written by Louis I. Newman, born in 1893 and died in 1972. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. He studied at Brown University and after his doctorate lectured at Columbia. He is the author of many books on religious subjects. This poem brings out his religious bent. Okay, now I'm reading the poem again. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. But God declared, go down again, I dwell among the people. So this is such a short poem with just 4 verses, but it has a very deep meaning that in the first, through this poem, the poet Louis I. Newman is giving us a message that poet wanted to hear the voice of God, or he wanted to have a conversation with God. Okay, so for that he and climbed the topmost steeple. For that purpose, in that regard, he climbed the topmost steeple. Steeple means the tallest part of a religious building, the highest part of the tallest part, that is the tower of the church. But God declared, go down again. I dwell among the people. So the whole soul meaning of this poem, the message we get from this poem is, it is not necessary that we can find God only in some religious places, but we can find God among people, because God declared, I dwell among people. Dwell means to live. That means if we want to hear the voice of God, if we want to be close to God, we have to just serve the humanity. Okay, so this is the message poet Louis I. Newman is giving to us. Okay, now let's again share the word meanings. Okay, sought is the second form of seek, that is wanted or wished. Steeple, the meaning of steeple is the tallest part of a religious building. Declared means announced or told or gave order, okay? And dwell means to live. Okay, now let's move towards the question answers. You have to take a screenshot of your home task. This is your home task, okay? You have to take a screenshot. After these question answers, I'll be sharing you the MCQs from the poem which you have to complete in your fair copy, English fair copy. First question, who has composed the poem The Voice of God? What was the wish of the poet? Where did the poet climb? Or we can also say, where did the poet climb to hear the voice of God? What did God declare? What God told the poet? And write the central idea of the poem, The Voice of God. To write the central idea of the poem, you have also to write the introduction of the reference to the poet. Okay. Now I'm sharing you the MCQs. First, I had shared you the textual question answers. Now I'm sharing with you the MCQs. Fill in the blanks and MCQs. Okay, this is a very short home task. I hope you all will complete it with a great interest. Okay, I dash to hear the voice of God. The poem, The Voice of God, is composed by dash. The meaning of steeple is dash. Okay, very easy. Now the next topic is activities. Choose the correct answers from the given options. The meaning of dwell is dash, to hear, to live, to be happy, or a religious building. The second one is the poem The Voice of God brings out the feeling of hatred, unity, poverty, or serving humanity. Okay, the third MCQ is dash declare the poet to go down again. First option is people, God, angels, or afraid. Okay. Okay, now tomorrow same time you have same English class 10:30 to 11:30. So please be on time, all of you. Okay. It will be very useful for you, fruitful for you if you join on time, so that I don't have to share again and again the given task. Okay. In that way, we can save the time and I can give you the lecture properly. Okay. So be on time tomorrow. Okay.